Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install vidIQ on your laptop. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, first off, go ahead and log into your vidIQ account. We don't need to download a standalone app because they don't have it. Okay? All you got to do is just go ahead over to your vidIQ account. Go ahead over to Optimize, and then go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Okay, or right here, Install extensions for Chrome. Okay, Chrome is recommended for using vidIQ, but if you do have any other browsers that supports extensions, well, go ahead and use it. Just go ahead and click on Install Extension, and then go ahead and click on Add to Brave, Add to Chrome, Add to Firefox, or whatever browser. Now go ahead and click on Add Extension. Wait a bit. After once that's done, there will be a pop-up that says vidIQ Vision for YouTube has been added to Brave. Now when you go ahead and load YouTube, okay, make sure that you reload the page if you have it already opened, okay? As you can see here we now have vidIQ. Now when you go ahead and look for videos, for example, this one, as you can see, you'll be able to see the subscribers and any other details. That's just basically it. That is how you download vidIQ in a laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.